Hello, I'm Ariana. If you're new here on this channel, we break down makeup looks so we can upgrade your makeup skills bag. Today we're getting into this beautiful, soft, sultry, neutral brown fall eyeshadow look. I also have a question for you. Would you like me to break down my base routine and face and complexion? Please let me know in the comments. The palette that we're using today is the Too Faced Natural Nudes palette. Perfect for your everyday neutral. And I'm using the ColourPop brush of an eye brush set. So we're going in with a standard blending brush, and I already put some concealer on my eyes. If you like eyeshadow primer, do your thing. And we're going to take the shade Maple, and I'm just going to put that on the outer corner first, and we're going to drag it to the inner corner. So we're basically coating the entire crease with this, but focusing on the outer corner. To just kind of like create a really smoky, bronzy lid crease. Hello. And again, focus on the outer corner. So I'm just like wiping it back and forth and kind of like blowing it out toward the outer corner, but trying to keep it on the crease only because we're gonna lighten up the inner corner on the lid. So I just kind of want to keep this more towards the upper area of the inner corner crease, and then we can blow it out towards the outer corner. Then we're gonna go in with Cocoa, which is slightly darker, and I'm just going to put that in the outer corner and just deepen this up and not really take it too much into the inner crease area, but we are going to take it in kind of like halfway because we're trying to create we're creating a darker outer corner and a really nice smoky smoked out wing. Then we're going to take the shade Swan. This is like a bone shade, and I'm going to put that on the brow highlight to separate the brow from the lid. And we're going to take that same brow shade, put it on the inner corner, and we're going to drag it to about halfway of the lid. And then we're going to blend out the edges with the rest of the eyeshadow. And this is really going to open up the inner corner of the eye to just open up the entire eye. Now we're switching brushes, and it's looking really nice and smoky. Going in with this shader brush, which is kind of like a tapered, flat, dense brush. Going in with the darkest brown in the palette. Darkest brown in the outer corner, and then drag it along the lash line, creating like a smoky eyeliner. And then we're also, and then we're gonna wing it out, flip the brush to the side and blend. We're gonna go back in with that first transition shade, and we're just gonna put it right here. And this is gonna create a transition from this really light area to this really dark area. We're going to take a blending brush and we're just going to go over the edges, going over the edges one more time to soften everything up. Then we're going to take some concealer and we're just going to clean up the edge. Make sure that you're using a concealer that matches whatever's going on underneath your eye, like your under eye area, so that this line isn't as harsh or crazy with the rest of your face. And then we're just going to kind of blend it out. And I have already set my face, I've already used powder, and it's blending out just fine, so don't be afraid. I'm gonna go ahead and add lashes. I'm going in with the Flutter Habit Water Lily lashes. These are like kind of brown, which is really cute, and they are part of their Dictionary edition, which means that they already have glue on them and they go on the underneath side of your lashes. So I'm not gonna go in with mascara. So I'm gonna start with the inner corner of my lashes and literally just place them, and that's it, and squish them together because they already have glue on them. Done. And I usually only just need 3 clusters, and at the end I kind of double stack tips to make it like more natural and just end where my natural lashes end. So this is the final look at this stage where we just have the top going on and a bare lower lash line. So this is more of like a natural smoky eye look, but also kind of like a more wearable daytime brown eyeshadow look. But we're gonna add some drama and do the lower lash line, and it's literally just 2 steps. So I'm going in with the elf I'm going in with ColourPop's gel liner. This is in the shade Brouhaha, which is kind of like a cool tone brown liner, and I love this one because it's so pigmented, and when it dries down it does not really go anywhere. And a cool tone brown looks so good on brown eyes. So when you line your waterline, you're going to kind of take the liner and put it into your lash line as well, ever so slightly. Then we're going to take a really tiny brush and just blend out that eyeliner to make it nice and smoky. You literally don't even need eyeshadow. And then finish it off with some mascara. And the last thing that I do to like complete the look and to cover all of my bases, I take the eyeliner and I just line my I take the eyeliner and just line my tight line so that you can't see that skin between the lash band and what? The skin under the lash band. Okay, and this is the final look. I really love how it came out. It's so cute and very sultry, but also so easy. So let me know what you think. Okay, and this is the final look. So I did an eye. It is like a sultry brown eye. If you want to see this full tutorial, it will be posted, or it is posted, so go ahead and check my page. This is the entire like look together. It's so cute. Bronzy, like a fresh face. The last time I did a bronzy look, it was like very heavy and like it was like a sultry glam, but it was like a very, it was a lot of makeup. But this, I like this. This is giving like fresh skin, but also like a nice bronzy glow and like dewy and glowy, but also natural. Okay. And I feel like it goes with the eye look really well. This is kind of like a dramatic brown smoky eye with like a full lower lash line, smoked out lower lash line, and then like a beautiful nude lip. But it works. And you can also just like, the way that the skin looked before the eyes was also tea. So we love her. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any other video suggestions you'd like to see from me, please let me know. If you have any other like makeup inspiration or recreations you'd like me to do, definitely DM me on Instagram. And if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe before you leave and like this video. It really does help me out. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!